Masala dosa recipe. Pressure cook 8 medium-sized potatoes. While it was cooling, I cut 3 medium onions, 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves. Cut 2 inches ginger finely. Cut 6 green chilies. I like it spicy. Peel and mash the potatoes. In the deep kadai or pan, add 6 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 teaspoons mustard seeds. When the mustard is crackling, add cut curry leaves. Add 2-inch diced ginger. Add cut green chilies. Add 1 teaspoon hing. Mix the spices well. Add diced onions. Stir fry till onions turn transparent. Add little salt to sweat the onions. Don't let it brown. Add half a teaspoon turmeric. Add the mashed potato. Mixed thoroughly. Add more oil if required. Add salt to taste and mix. Add 1 teaspoon sugar and mix. Add juice of 1 lemon and mix. Add freshly cut coriander. I have used MTR dosa batter for this recipe. My mom swears by it and it is available readily. Heat a dosa pan. Add 1 ladleful of the batter and spread it evenly. Add 1 teaspoon oil. Add 1 teaspoon ghee. Lift to check if it is cooked evenly. Next, add the dosa filling in the middle. Fold and then roll over. Add some more ghee. Serve hot with freshly prepared green chutney. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Did you know that we have similar videos? Do take a look.